Welcome back. Let's talk about mu. We learned earlier that mu means inside. We have used it to describe the inside of places. Here are some examples. Teacher Kofi is going to read the examples.
Otika mu. Kofi kɔ dan mu. Akwasi firi kuro wei mu. Akwasi firi Kumasi.
Now Teacher Kofi is going to read the examples again and I'm going to translate them for you.
Otika mu.
He's sitting inside car.
Kofi kɔ dan mu.
Kofi goes into a room.
Akwasi firi kuro wei mu.
Akwesi comes from inside this town.
Akwasi firi Kumasi.
Akwesi comes from Kumasi. Now Teacher Kofi is going to repeat the examples again and we'll repeat after him.
Otika mu.
Oteka mu.
Kofi kɔ dan mu.
Kofi ko dan mu.
Akwasi firi kuro wei mu.
Akwesi firi kuro wei mu.
Akwasi firi Kumasi.
Akwesi firi Kumasi. Oteka mu means that he or she is seated inside of the car. Also for okodain mu, we know that when you enter a room, you go into the inside of the room. In English, you say Kofi goes into the room. In a Akan, you have to literally say Kofi goes into the inside of the room. Also in English, you say that Akwesi comes from this town. In a Akan, you have to say Akwesi comes from inside of this town. When using kuro, there is something important that you have to know. When you use kuro, you have to use mu. You cannot use mu when you mention the town or city itself. So, for example, we say
Akwasi firi Kumasi.
You cannot say
Akwasi firi Kumasi mu.
this is wrong because we have the city Kumasi and not Kuro. So you cannot use mu in this sentence. Based on what we said, when we say Ode Gainesville, should we add mu or not? The correct answer is you do not add mu because you have the name of a city in the sentence. The ka, room, and town are physical locations which have inner places. That is why we refer to the inside of these places. Other locations that require mu are. Teacher Kofi is going to read the examples.
Baagi mu. Bottle mu. Ngoma mu. Adaka mu.
Now Teacher Kofi is going to read the examples again and I'm going to translate them for you.
Baagi mu.
Inside of a bag.
Bottle mu.
Inside of a pocket or a sack.
Ngoma mu.
Inside of a book.
Adaka mu.
Inside of a box. Now Teacher Kofi is going to repeat the examples again and we're going to repeat after him.
Baagi mu.
Bag mu.
Bottle mu.
Boto mu.
Ngoma mu.
Numa mu.
Adaka mu.
Adaka mu. The sea in which Kweku and Akuya swam is cold. In order to say the sea is cold, Akuya has to say the inside of the water is cold. So she says,
Nsuo numu ye nwunu.
This literally means the inside of the water is cold. If you say,
Nsuo no yɛ nwunu.
That is also correct. But you will most likely not be inside the water when you say that.